viewers, and thank you very much for supporting my channel. I want to answer this question that was asked, that please teacher give us the topics in geography, the topics that are set KCSE topics, in the topics which are in geography paper 1 and the topics which are in paper 2, and that's what I have just done here. So we have the topics in geography paper 1. The first one is Introduction to Geography, the Earth and the Solar System, that is in paper 1. Weather and Climate, that is in paper 1. Vegetation, paper 1. Internal land process, forming processes. Map work, external land forming processes, which we call weathering, is also in paper 1. Mass wasting, paper 1. Hydrological, I think it's supposed to be hydrological cycle. Action of rivers, lakes, ocean, seas and their coasts. Action of wind and water in arid areas. Action of water in limestone areas. Glaciation, soils, field work, rocks and minerals. So those are the topics, the major topics that are there in paper 1. So those are the topics you must ensure that you have covered before you go to paper 1 geography exam. Let me take you through paper 2. In paper 2, we have Introduction to Geography. You can realize that geography introduction is in both paper 1 and paper 2. And then statistics is purely in paper 2. Photography, purely in paper 2. Minerals and mining, that is paper 2. Agriculture, paper 2. And I have realized that agriculture, there's no year that agriculture has failed to be there. So when you prepare for your exams, ensure that you have gone through agriculture, but the agriculture and geography. Land reclamation, and then we have fishing, wildlife and tourism, urbanization and industrialization, forestry, transport, communication, trade. The trade is different, is a topic of its own. We have population and settlement. And then we have management and conservation of the environment. So these are the topics that are found in paper 2, including energy. So these are the topics as I have listed them that are found in paper 2. So I want to take you through the topics that has been set for the last 4 years. So let us go straight away and look at this table here. I have a table here which I want you to look at. I have listed areas tested in geography paper 1 in the last 4 years. Tested topic in paper 1. So these are topic 1. So this is 2018. You can see this one is 2018. This is 2019, and this one is 2020, and this one is 2021. Now, in 2018, the first question, the question number 1 was the Earth and the Solar System. And the question 2 was minerals and rocks. Question 3 was internal land forming processes, oceans, and that's question 4, glaciation. Question 5. Question 6 was map work. As you can see, map work is a question in paper 1 that is always there from all the years it has been there. So you are sure of 25 marks as you go to an exam, because map work is number 6 and it will always be there in paper 1. So that one you should be you are aware that you go there prepared for map work to score 25 out of 25. So you should know all the way the questions are said, the way you interpret the pictures, the map in general. Question 7 in 2018 was minerals and rocks, that is 25 marks. Internal land formation, volcanicity, it was volcanicity, so that was 25 was mass wasting, and then finally rivers. That was question 10, rivers. Let us compare 2019. 2019, the question number 1 was introduction to geography. Number 2 was weather and climate, internal and forming processes, rivers. That's question 4. Ocean, seas and their coasts. That is question 5. And then question 6 is map work, as obvious. Internal and forming processes. That was now question 7, 25 marks. Weather and climate, 25 marks. Ocean, seas and their coasts, 25 marks. And then soils, 25 marks. So I want you to check the questions that are repeating themselves here. You can see rivers, rivers. Ocean, seas and their coasts, ocean, seas and their coasts. Weather, climate. You see weather here and climate is in question 2. The same question is repeated, the question 9, 25 marks. So those are the things I wanted you to be aware of. 2020, the first question was introduction to geography, and then the solar system and the earth, rocks, weather and climate. Question 4. Question 5 was ocean, seas and their coasts. Question 5, 6 was map work. Then 7 was external land forming process. Number 8 was vegetation. Mass wasting, number 9, and then 10 was rivers. Test number 2021, last year that is, we had weather and climate, question 1, minerals, rocks, question 2, internal and forming processes, question 3, glaciation, question 4, 5 was soils, and then map work, obvious, number 6. The earth and the solar system was question 7 this time round, and lakes came number 8. Action of water in limestone areas, and then arid and semi-arid areas. The deserts actually is the that one. So we can see here 2021 we didn't have rivers, so you are likely to this year to rivers to be there, so you have to read very well rivers. And then from this, or from 2018 to 2021, this topic has not been said, that is the hydrological cycles, this topic here. So you have to go through this topic very well. The way the hydrological cycle, you should be aware of that, so you should read it very well. In fact, you can predict in geography, you can easily predict, because there are topics which you will not miss, so you need to prepare very well. Let me take you through paper 2 questions. In the last 4 years, paper 2, these are the questions that was tested in 2018. In 2018, the question number 1 was fishing. Question number 2 was wildlife and tourism. Number 3, energy, trade. 5, management and conservation of environment. Statistics. Number 6, you can see that statistics number 6 is obvious question that you expect. It is only in 2021 that number 6 changed to photography. So expect the statistics this time around. So you should expect that. Or if photography was done very poorly, they can repeat it. If it was done very poorly, they will repeat it. So you need to prepare well in either. Number 7 was mining. Number 8, forestry. Number 9, land rehabilitation. Number 10 is population and settlement. That is 2018. 2019, agriculture. Agriculture was there. Number 1, fishing, energy, transport and communication, population and settlement, statistics. Number 6, agriculture, wildlife, tourism, urbanization and industrialization. That is the topic. Then communication was number 10. So you can compare the questions. Now you can see fishing is almost every year. But 2020, agriculture was number 1. Agriculture, fishing, energy, industrialization, transport, Statistics for 2020, it was forestry, wildlife number 8, trade and urbanization number 10. 2021 we had agriculture question 1, land rehabilitation question 2, wildlife and tourism, transport, trade question 5, question 6 was photography, question 7 was agriculture, energy, urbanization, industry, population and settlement. That was question 10. So according to me, what I can tell you is that as you prepare for your exam, make sure you read very well the topic, the energy topic. So if you read energy, the topic of energy conservation, or those energy, agriculture, wildlife and tourism, agriculture, I've said that it is a common topic, and then fishing. Those are some of the topics you must prepare on before you go to an exam. I think I have done what my viewer asked me to do, to outline or to do what I have done. I want to thank you for your support. Please consider subscribing if you have not subscribed, because that is one way you are supporting. Thank you very much.